Hello, everyone. So today I was trying to just tell you a little bit why I started working on a lot of projects, and the project was just to sorry about that. So the project was just to fix anything that I found in my life that was needed, tweaking or made easier. And so I really decided, well, why not just get involved in building my own app that solves the problem, right? So I went ahead and decided I should start building those apps. So now, right now I'm on Claude, right? And so if you haven't used Claude before, you have these three products here: the design, co-work, and code. Code is really just for people that are a little knowledgeable, a little more knowledgeable about the technology. If you're not, then stay with co-work. We'll do the same thing for a beginner at least. And so in order for you to use co-work, because I'm just doing this for co-work, you have to download the desktop app. Now, if you don't know how to do it, just drop a comment and I will come back and explain it, or email me directly and message me directly, and then I will go ahead and do one tutorial for that. So when it says open in desktop, you go ahead and just open it because I already downloaded mine, right? So now currently I was working on my pet, VIP app, which is really a pet. It's really for parents that travel with pets. And so since I traveled with my pet last year to Europe and Africa. And so I went through all the paperwork that I was supposed to do to go through I was really supposed to go through a vet consultant, like the vet office. They have third parties that actually do all the paperwork for you, but you have to pay $700 for that. I was like, no, 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 no. I am not paying $700. And then I said, well, is it one time or no? Am I, is this for lifetime? Every time I need to travel, you will do it for me? They're like, oh, no, 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 this is just one time. I said, nah. So I did for a third of the price. Literally, actually, it was like less than $200, really, less than that. So I decided to create my own app. And then so I'm going to skip all this stuff that you see here just to show you. This part actually is only just to show you what I'm doing with it, because now I'm trying to contact folks and have them, doing a campaign for the app, right? So I created quite a few things. So I'm like, my list, and this is me working with the co-work, right? But if I go to Claude, which I've used several times, you get a different tab of things, right? Right here. Now, I'm just doing this as a show and tell for now, and then I'm going to go back into the details of it. And this right here, I was ordering a TikTok campaign. So it did all this for me. I don't know nothing about that. All I do is answer the questions when they want me to answer it. And then I've read up a little bit about it as well. So now it created this static brand poster for me to use for another product that I want to launch, which is a dog uh, spray bottle, right? So I'm going to skip on that and then up here just to stop the show for now because I don't have enough time to continue. So, anywho, that was just a quick brief, but I want to share more with you guys. So, I want you to ask me questions. I really got myself into this 7 months ago only because I I said, why not? Right? See you later. Bye. So, oh, I thought